Hello everyone. Today let's talk about how to check and correct the installing angle of FP600 radar. Turn on the RC and the aircraft. Check if the front obstacle avoidance radar has automatic movement to adjust position itself. After the aircraft is started, gently touch the front obstacle avoidance radar. If there is a significant damping effect, it indicates that the front radar servo motor is normal. Start the Agri Assistant app, tap Begin, get into Setting, and choose Radar. Swipe down to find the monitor. In bracket is the real-time angle. Besides the bracket is the installing angle. The FP600 front obstacle avoidance radar mainly needs the real-time angle to be checked. About the installing angle. Normally, this angle of front obstacle avoidance radar is 5 degrees plus or minus 1, while the rear obstacle avoidance radar is 8.5 degrees plus or minus 1. All values that are not within the reasonable range are offsets and require calibration and adjustment. Calibration and adjustment methods are as follows. Front obstacle avoidance radar. First, we need to check whether the signal wire is too tight, which will affect the normal movement of the servo motor. If so, we need to loosen the cable tie to adjust the wires again. Loosen the screws that fix the servo, then power on the aircraft to let the servo automatically return to the center. After the servo returns to the center, check whether the servo arm is perpendicular to the servo. If not, remove the servo arm and install it vertically on the servo. Make sure the installation direction is consistent with that shown in the video. Reinstall the corrected servo back to its original position. Place the aircraft on a level ground. Turn on the RC and D tab. Begin, tap Setting in the upper right corner, then choose Aircraft, tap IMU Calibration, and pull the throttle lever to the bottom as prompted. Tap Start Calibration until the prompt indicates that the calibration is complete. It should be noted that during the calibration process, do not touch or shake the aircraft, as this may cause deviations in the calibration results. Choose Radar to check if the real-time angle of front obstacle avoidance radar is 5 degrees plus or minus 1. The aircraft can be shaken back and forth to check if the front obstacle avoidance radar follows the vibration to move and remain in one direction. After ensuring that all the above operations correctly, the calibration and adjustment of the front obstacle avoidance radar are completed. Rear obstacle avoidance radar. Get into Radar and check whether the installing angle of the rear obstacle avoidance radar, the value outside bracket, is 8.5 degrees plus or minus 1. If the angle is abnormal, it is necessary to adjust the radar angle by adding a gasket behind the radar. The specific methods are as follows. If the displayed installing angle is too large, loosen the radar fixing screws. Install the gasket on the fixing screws below the radar, and then tighten the fixing screws. If the displayed installing angle is too small, loosen the radar fixing screws. Install the gasket on the two screws above the radar, and then tighten the fixing screws. If the problem still cannot be solved according to the above operations, there may be a situation of component damage or deformation. Contact after-sales service for replacement and then calibrate. Above is today's lesson. Follow the TopXGun channel for more plant protection skills.